Hi, I'm Kevin Heravi, owner of Oceanana Shores, a custom beach home here in Pacific Beach, California. And I have worked with Julie Bergman at San Diego Patio Pros, installing our product from Azenco all throughout the property. When we were planning this project, one of the reasons why we chose Azenco over many other things that were on the market, it seemed like it really had a seamless fit and look. We were going for a very modern aesthetic, and over a lot of the other products that we tested and saw, Azenco really seemed like it was a cut above the rest. We're really pleased that we chose it. Azenco really kind of fed within three aspects of the property. One is in the front, where we did a pergola system. We did a pergola system also in the back, and we did a carport. All three of those were instrumental throughout the property. Most in particular was a carport. We eliminated the garage out of the property, and so we needed a structured system to really function as a garage, essentially. And this is watertight, very modern, very sleek, and it was customizable in terms of the height, size, and the dimensions that we needed to fit within the property. So it really elevated the outdoor experience here within our PB Drive property, and we're very pleased. My impression of the durability and the quality, I was quite impressed with the level of footings that they were installing. It wasn't just something just kind of plopped on the ground. It's encased in cement. The product is very sturdy. It doesn't have a tinny feel, which I was concerned with some of the other product lines. I was also very impressed with the adaptability of the product. As you can see over my shoulder, we have two pendant lights that are hanging off of it. We have other electrical items. So one of the things that was important to us was incorporating electrical elements into our pergola. And so its ability to have channels within it where it's easy to run the conduit lines where it's not seen was very helpful, and it turned out great as one can see. The way that Azenco product has really kind of fit within the property has been an important one. It's a very standout piece. Here in San Diego, you spend a lot of your time outside. And so for us, designing this home, it had to have an indoor-outdoor element. And I think the Azenco contemporary modern kind of look really kind of fits within that. And it's used, it fits the look, it fits the design apparatus in terms of its functionality, and so far its durability has been phenomenal. So we're very pleased.